We're gonna see a student at community service. We're not going there to like serve anybody. We're there out of the joy of meeting the people and contributing in whatever way we can.
Right here, the main purpose of being here is building sanitary living conditions for Anna and her family. We cleaned everything, we dug stuff out, we laid cement, we built a floor, and we built a structure and a roof. When it rains up that hill, water just flows down here on both sides of the house and stays. Here it ends up by the wall and on these septic tanks, which obviously we don't want water staying on for long periods because then they fill. And so I built just a simple drainage system here. We tried to clean this hill for a while and then we realized it is a landfill. Over here is the cement that I'm mixing right now. Here's the base. I've built some very rudimentary drainage ditches here because the water would just sit in front of the house and it'd be super muddy where the kids play, where the kids are, where they cook. Anna's the mother and the matriarch of this house, and she needs a lot. And so a really kind and caring person was like, she's always gonna need more. Whatever you do, even if you do as much as you can, for as long as you can, there's gonna be more things you're not able to do.
Mi familia, que son mis 4 hijos y yo, mi persona, que los estamos beneficiando pues del trabajo que están realizando los muchachos. Me siento muy agradecida con eso.
Is like there are more Annas. Is like I'm just gonna keep doing what I can do until there are more Olivers who are doing that kind of work.
And so for us, the significance of students doing these kinds of activities is that they feel like they don't need to have a PhD or a master's degree to be contributors of the world around them, and that they, with their hands and their good attitude and their desire to learn, they can still contribute a lot to the well-being of other people.